Welcome to another Simple Dad TikTok tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to use the going live countdown sticker on TikTok. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. So if you're a TikTok user and you want to go live, but you want to show your user when you're going live, then you can use a TikTok live countdown sticker, which is available on TikTok. So let me show you how to do this. So first you want to go ahead and open up TikTok. Next you want to tap on the plus sign here to post a TikTok video. Now here you want to go ahead and post a 15 seconds or a 60 seconds video. Now tap on the tick here at the bottom right. This will now take you into the editing screen of TikTok. Now you want to tap on the sticker icon here just below your text. On the screen, you're looking for live, which is right here. Tap on it. Now go ahead and give this sticker a title. So you can basically say, going live in ... And now from the bottom here, you can select the time and you can select when you're going live. So for example, today at 10 o'clock, 10 p.m. Press done at the top right. This will now give you a countdown of when you're going live. Now you've got two choices here. You can either post this to your TikTok story, which will disappear after 24 hours, or you can post this as a TikTok video. So since you're telling your user you're going live, I would suggest select your story. And now that will post that going live to your story. And now if anyone looks at your TikTok story, they can find out you're going live in 1 hour, 56 minutes and 6 seconds. And there you go. That is how to use the going live countdown sticker on TikTok. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.